And look at the rose that's coming up. This is David Austin Jubilee Celebration. From here, she can see all around and relax. In Ravignano for someone's birthday, but they're having a festival here. We're too early, but it's yeah, we're too early. Dinner time. Oh, I love Sicilian cookies. Mandorle. Fried fish and fried food is there. Oh, I really want to try all the street food, but we're going to a birthday party. So, you know, yeah, later, hopefully. Honey and things. Oh, crystals. Soap. No, it's candy there, sorry. I need to buy a pumpkin. Oh, I really want to. Oh, chocolate and waffles over there. Together. Ooh, frichetti and pizza. This is called musetto. It's like a sausage, but it's really fatty. Over polenta. So I ate a ton at the birthday party, but there were no desserts there, so I couldn't resist. I got a waffle on a stick, and it's dark chocolate with like amaretti, like crunchy almond biscotti stuff on top.
It's good. They're all brown, look.
It's like a donut, but a more waffly donut.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good.
Wow.
It's good. You should try it. Come here. Come to Italy. You're wearing your swanky, silky pajamas, and what happened? Tell me what happened now.
Freyja went inside to sleep inside the pajama.
Freyja.
Better here.
Comfortable. Oi, oi, oi.
Yeah, this is my pajama. This is not your pajama. She likes.
Okay.
It's a problem now.
Now what are you gonna do? I have to move her out.
I'm like a kangaroo.
Kangaroo. Enrico the kangaroo. Freyja's like a baby kangaroo.
Yeah, you have to go out of my pajama. She doesn't want. Look.
Hey Freyja. What are you doing in there? Are you a baby kangaroo?
Yeah.